What up, y'all? It's SznLuv here to bring you that good shit. It's ugly. I'm so sorry. Is this unattractive? Is this too provocative? Am I gonna get demonetized? Like, my fault for not sticking around. Don't really got the time right now. Gotta make this bread somehow. Don't mean to be a player, but I was never staying on. What up, y'all? It's SznLuv here to bring you that good shit. I hope everybody is giving a compliment without even Easter. If you're returning, what it do, baby love? And if you're new here, then hey, I hope you like join the family or whatever, you know, like subscribe, you know, like that's what you're into. So as you can see, I look motherfucking crazy. Oh yeah. That is because today we're doing a hair tutorial. Well, let's not call it a hair tutorial. Let's not, you know, let's relax, you know, let's calm down. It's an edges tutorial. You know them Rico nasty edges, you know, I'm gonna put it right here. Bitch, let me stop it right there. This is not a tutorial. I tried, I attempted. Let's calm down. You know, she a bad bitch, you know. We gonna do some of that. We gonna do some of them swirls over here, you feel me? So yeah, first we gonna do a nice little cute top knot, you feel me? We gonna slick all this. See, I washed my hair yesterday and I blow dried it, and then I came back home, I put it in the ponytail, burp, and I fell asleep. So okay. Today I'm gonna be using I probably should have got my products before I started the video, but
some milk.
Jamaican mango and lime, Jamaican black castor oil, original, you feel me? To moisturize our hair. This is amazing for hair growth and just overall moisturization. And we got Murray's Edge Wax Extreme Hold. This Shiraha, we slapped it in, so I'm gonna use this. Got my, you know, signature white tooth comb, buttered red. We got a brush, a hard bristle brush. Got some Eco. We got this edge brush that has honestly been through hell and back. I commend you for sticking out this long.
Somebody help me!
I do want to get a new one though. You know what I'm saying? You know the ones that got the two sides? I want that one. So, you know, if you want to send me one, then, you know, you can do that. Yeah, we're just going to slick this up and then we're going to get into the edges tutorial. I'm looking this way because my mirror is this way. I just like ripped out some of my hair. That's what you get for not having patience, kids. You're also gonna need like a nice scrunchie. I get big scrunchies because these little itty bitty things don't be working and they be ripping my hair out. She's fucking please, bitch. shit. You're gonna need bobby pins too. I forgot to say that. Okay. Now that we got our nice cute top knot, you feel me? We're gonna take our edges brush. And first, we use this to shape, and we use this to hold. Okay? Now, we're gonna take some ego. Not a lot on your brush, you feel me? And we're just gonna piece by piece, you feel me? So we're gonna start on this side. Let me get any close for y'all. You know, let me just, hold on. Can y'all see that? Y'all see it now? You know, this is all, you got creative control over your edges, you feel me? You got creative control. You can go whatever which way you want to go, you feel me? So I like to pull it down a little bit, you know? Like a little whoop, you know, feel me? Ooh, look at that already. I won't even do nothing yet. Look. Okay, but yeah, do that. You feel me? And then I like to bring it back around town. You feel me? Boom. Right? And we just look at that cute curl. You feel me? Now we take some of this right here. You feel me? We're gonna take a little bit of that on the tip of the brush. Right? And we're just gonna go back over it. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. And now we really curl it. This is very tedious work, guys. So just be patient. Now, if you don't have that, then this is honestly just not for you. Yes, just. You see, and then just flatten the curl with your finger. Boom. Look. Okay, we got our first little thing right there. Make sure you pat it all down so nothing is sticking up. Cause that be the blow. Feel me? Boom. And look at that. They ask you, yo, how you did your edges, bro? How you did your edges? Don't worry about it, sweetheart. Don't worry about it. It's that spit. Now, okay, now let's part again, right? Gonna take a little, see, this is a nice little tiny part, you feel me? So we're not even gonna do too much on this one, you feel me? I like to go dramatic, calm, dramatic, calm, dramatic. You feel me? Right, nice little pattern going on. But you see people looking at it, they don't know all about that. I'll be getting mad fucking eco on my forehead, right? That shit, we blow. I feel like I'm slowly losing daylight, guys. It's pretty upsetting. I'm just gonna make that into a nice little curly curl for me. I'm just take some of this on my finger and just flatten it for me. How are we looking so far, y'all? like making each of them very unique. You know what I mean? Each of them got a story to tell. Oh my god, that one looks like an upside down heart, guys. Look. It kind of looks like something else. Hold on.
I could spend all day doing these shits. And I still never perfect them. I could really spend all day doing these shits.
Yeah, guys. That was my failed attempt on some Rico nasty edges. Squiggly edges, you feel me? I've done these before. But you know, honestly, I should be doing them any which way and then calling it a day. You know what I mean? So, yeah. I mean, you guys should try, you know, send me a picture on Instagram or whatever. I mean, let me know how it went down in the comments. On that note, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, yay, like the video. And if you didn't, I don't care. But don't forget to like and subscribe and all that good shit. And I'm gonna see you guys in the next one. Second guessing, trying to live in this feeling, don't know the meaning. Give me a reason to up and leave you now. Talking the same shit, bro, some hearts I won't regret. To my L, so I can't forget.